Hello my friends, welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, today we're talking snacks, but not just any snacks. These are outstanding because they're high protein, low in calorie snacks that also happen to be high in fiber. Now, these snacks are made with real food and under 250 calories. These are not your mama's rice cake peanut butter snacks. These are the next level snacks that keep you full, support weight loss, and taste amazing. So what qualifies a low-calorie and high-protein snack? As a weight loss dietitian, I refer to a low-calorie snack those snacks that provide 250 calories or less. And while 10 grams of protein technically is considered high protein, I like to get closer to 20 grams because the higher the protein, the better control of your hunger. But here's the real secret weapon: fiber. Fiber and protein are best friends for weight loss. Fiber slows digestion, helps you with feeling fuller throughout the day, and helps manage blood sugar. Together, protein and fiber, the ultimate dream team to help you feel full, satisfied, and avoid overeating throughout the day. Let's talk about the afternoon snack, or what I like to call the PM snack or a mini meal. It's the most skipped snack, but honestly, it's the one you need the most. So here's what happens when you skip the afternoon snack. You get home starving, and the first thing that happens is the chips and salsa. Then comes the cheese and crackers, and perhaps your kids' snacks. And then you find yourself finishing dinner. And just like that, over 1,000 calories you just ate. The fix: a smart, satisfying snack that has protein, fiber, and low calorie. One snack that helps you be in control, just like the ones I'm gonna show you now. Are you ready? Let's go! By the way, all of these snacks are on my blog under recipes, so visit Villacorta.com and find them there, or click the link below. Our first snack is Greek yogurt cottage cheese parfait. Mixing cottage cheese and Greek yogurt is my new thing. You can combine the two and get to your protein amounts fast. Creamy, a little sweet, and packed with texture. It feels like dessert, but it fuels you like a boss. Our second snack is roast beef veggie rolls with cottage cheese pesto. Fresh, crunchy, and super savory. These rolls are packed with protein and fiber from real food. Nothing processed here. Let me tell you, the cottage cheese pesto sauce is so good. It is on my blog, and I will recommend making it on the beginning of the week and use it throughout the week. Our third snack is chicken quesadilla. Every time I recommend quesadillas to my clients, they are surprised. Quesadillas? Yes, quesadillas. You just need to know how to make them. Follow these guidelines. It's warm, melty, and completely satisfying. You never guess this one clocks in under 250 calories. Our fourth snack is hard-boiled egg and edamame lettuce wraps. Protein from plants and animals, a creamy binder, and just enough tang to keep things interesting. A mango avocado smoothie. Two of my favorite fruits, avocado and mango. Yes, avocado technically is a fruit. With these two powerhouses, I get my antioxidants. Tropical, creamy, and naturally sweet, no powders. Just whole ingredients doing their job. So there you go, 5 whole food snacks, each under 250 calories, loaded with protein and fiber to keep you satisfied, energized, and in control. Pro tip: now you have 5 snacks here. Make your life easy. You don't need to make all 5 in 1 week. Pick 2 and make them be the week flavor. Now, the following week, maybe you pick 2 new ones and repeat. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to like and subscribe and make a comment. I would like to know, what snacks are you eating now? Thanks for watching, and remember, stop dieting, start living.